Hey guys, and welcome to this video. So recently my husband has went on a Mediterranean diet and it's been gluten-free, free range, organic, low glycemic, and no sugar.
That's my cat's tail.
I decided to show you guys two muffin recipes that are 100% gluten-free. So I really hope you guys enjoy these recipes, and let's get on into them. Okay, so the first muffins we're making are almond banana muffins. And in this video, I'm only using 2 bananas for this, but you gotta use 3, or else the muffins turn out to be super dry, and they're not very good. My husband actually ended up not really eating these because they were just too dry. So make sure you add that 3rd banana to this recipe. But I have the recipe in the video, and I will have it in the description box as well. We've needed to switch to gluten-free banana muffins just because of my husband's diet. They're a great snack for if you're on a Mediterranean diet or any diet that is gluten-free. But out of these 2 recipes, the one I'm showing you here isn't near as good as the other one I'm showing you. Using coconut flour is really good, and to me, I think it makes all the difference, and I think it makes the muffins taste so much better. Also, when you're trying out using new ingredients like swerve and coconut flour and almond flour, make sure you read online and get some information about how working with those flours work, because they do not work like traditional flour. So I put them in my muffin tins. I usually don't use a liner unless it's a foil liner. But see, these came out super dry because I didn't use that 3rd banana, so make sure you use that if you're trying this recipe. The next one is coconut pecan banana muffins. These were amazing, and this is a recipe I'm going to continue to use and just put in different nuts. You can put berries in it. I've made blueberry ones. I mean, it's just endless the ways you could spice this up. And this one is more of a wet texture because I'm using coconut flour. So if you try out any of these recipes, let me know down below. I'd like to know. And if you have any good recipes that are Mediterranean diet or gluten-free, please let me know down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed these recipes, and if you try them out, let me know down below. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if you did, and I'll see you in the next one soon. Bye!